Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Vampire the Masquerade Blood Hunt game crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing, low FPS or other issues on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to modify launch option. So for that, go to Steam. Now under library section, select your game, right click on it. Now click on properties, then under general here you have to type -dx11 and then try to launch the game and see if it's working. If not, again come back, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and see if it's working now. If not, next solution is to update your graphics card. So make sure your graphics cards are up to date. For that, go to the Windows search over here, search for device manager. Now open it and then go below expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will search if there is any update available for your drivers. After updating the drivers, now check if you can launch the game. Nvidia and AMD users, go through the link that I have already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next solution is to delete the config folder. So delete the config folder and then launch the game. So what you need to do is go to the Steam, now under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, then click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where it has been installed. Now click on Tiger folder and then click on saved. Then here is the config folder, simply right click on it and click on delete option. So after deleting the config folder, now try to launch the game and see if you can play it. Next method is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, properties, then click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So this will verify the game files. You have to wait for a few seconds, and once the game files are verified, now try to check if you can play the game without any further problem. Next is to run game as administrator. For that, open Steam, now select your game under library section, then click on manage, then click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where it has been installed. Now here you have the game application, right click on it, click on properties, now click on compatibility, then click on run this program as an administrator, then hit on apply and OK and then try to launch the game. If not, then click on disable full screen optimizations and then hit on apply and OK, and after that try to launch the game and then check if the issue is resolved. The same thing you have to do for the other application as well. Open the Tiger folder, then go to the binaries, then click on Win64 and here you have to select Tiger -Win64 shipping, right click on it, click on properties, then click on compatibility. Now check on run this program as an administrator, then hit on apply and OK and then try to launch the game and see if it's working, or else click on disable full screen optimization, then hit on apply and OK and after that check if it's working now. Next method is to allow the game through firewall. For that, go to the Windows search for Windows security. Now click on firewall and network protection, then click on allow an app through firewall. Now here you have to click on change settings. After that, search for the game over here if it's listed. So the game, let's see if the game is listed over here. The game is listed, you have to simply select it, or else if you don't find the game over here, click on allow another app, then click on browse. Now go to the game installation folder where your game is installed, select the game application and add it to the list over here. After adding it, select it, make sure both private and public boxes are tick marked and then click on OK. So after this, try to launch the game and see if it's working. Next method is to disable antivirus program. So if you are having an antivirus program installed on your system, then it can interrupt in your gameplay and can lead to such kind of issues. So the antivirus program blocks the game and you cannot play. So you are suggested to disable the antivirus program and after that try to play the game and see if it's working now. Next solution is to close other background process. So for that, go to the Windows search for task manager. Now under process tab, you have to search for those apps which are of no use but running in the background. Simply select that, right click on it and click on end task. So this will completely close the app from the background and after this launch the game and see if it's working now. Next method is to clear download cache. So for that, go to Steam. Now click on Steam option over here, then click on settings. After that, go to the download section, then go below, and here you can see clear download cache. Simply click on clear cache, and this will clear the cache of Steam settings, and after that try to launch the game and see if you can play it. Next method is to check graphic settings of the game. So when your graphic settings are not properly set up, like texture quality, resolution, etc., then it directly impacts the game, and this is where the game can crash or suffer from other issues. So make sure to set up the settings properly and even lower the graphic settings to avoid the unwanted issues. Next method is to update Windows. For that, go to the Windows search for check for updates. Now this will take you to the Windows update page. Here you have to click on check for updates option, and this will check if any update is available. If there is any update, update your Windows to the latest version, and after that try to launch the game and see if it helps. Next solution is to disable in-game overlays. So for that, go to Steam. Now click on Steam option over here, then click on settings. Now after that, click on in-game. Here enable the Steam overlay while in-game option is enabled. You have to click on it to disable it. After disabling it, now check if you can play the game. Next solution is to stop overclock CPU and GPU settings. So sometimes overclocking makes the CPU or GPU unstable. So you are suggested to check if there is any overclocking of the CPU or GPU in the background. This will help you to fix the issue. Next method is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. For that, go to the Windows search over here, search for graphics settings. Now here you have to add your game to the list. So for that, click on add a desktop app. After that, go to the game folder where it has been installed. So go to the game folder, Steam. Now click on Steam apps, common. Now here is the game. You simply select the game application, add it. So after adding it, here is the game. Now here under GPU preference, you have to select high performance, and after selecting high performance, now try to launch the game and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next solution is to install Visual C++ files. So for that, go through the link that I've already provided in the description, copy it and paste it in your browser, open it. After opening it, the website opens. So now go below, and from here you need to download the Visual C++ files. So after downloading it, install them, and after installing it, restart your system once. After restarting, log into the game and then check if you can play it without any further problem. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall the game. So for that, go to Steam. Now under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, and click on uninstall, and finally click on uninstall option. So this will remove the game completely from your system. After removing the game, restart your PC once. After restarting, again launch Steam and then reinstall Vampire the Masquerade Blood Hunt game on your PC once again. And after that, click on play option and then check if you can play the game. So these are few suggested solutions to fix Vampire the Masquerade Blood Hunt game crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging, or other issues on PC. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.